Are you tired of paying for Voicemod Pro? Or maybe you just want to have a little fun with your friends and change your voice during your online gaming session? Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. We found a website where you can download a Voicemod Pro crack for free, with no viruses. That's right, you can get your hands on this premium software without paying a single penny. And the best part? It's been tested and confirmed to work all the way up until 2023. So you can enjoy all the great features of Voicemod Pro without any worries. From changing your voice in real time to applying sound effects, this software has everything you need to spice up your online communication. Whether it's for gaming, streaming, or simply having some online fun, Voicemod Pro will be your go-to choice. Just follow the instructions on the website and you'll be up and running with your new Voicemod Pro crack in no time. So what are you waiting for? Download it now and start having fun. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.